Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and log food with your voice on the ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So once you've installed it, open it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, we can get started accessing the theme section right here in the bottom right corner. That's going to enable us to select what theme we want to be a part of, so find which one suits you the most and then we can get started following that theme's workouts right here from the main page. So let's go and take a look at how to log food with voice. So basically, logging food by voice on the ladder application is quick and effortless. The AI-powered tool automatically breaks down your description, estimates calories and macros, and adds them to your daily progress. And you can find all of that right here in the bottom right corner by clicking the nutrition tab. Once you click on the nutrition tab, it's going to enable you to set up your tracking, as you can see right here. And as you can see, you need a premium plan, so ladder cannot be used for free. You need a premium plan, keep that in mind. But once you've gotten it, you're going to be able to access the nutrition tab right here. You're going to go ahead and log in 5 seconds. You can see voice, photo, or barcode. You can scan barcodes, take photos, or add your voice, and it's going to go ahead and analyze it, manage the description, and add the calories based on it, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.